Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. This is the first video of the new year and I am excited to start this because I feel like this is a new year full of new opportunities and new video content, and I have a game plan for this year like I do every year, but it doesn't always work out, and so I'm hoping this year, this is the year where I get to hit all my goals for how much content I want to put out here on YouTube. So the goal is I want to put out at least 2 to 3 videos a week. And I have a lot of other goals too for Instagram, and I think last year I did a really good job with keeping up with you guys on Instagram and creating creative content for that platform, but I feel like I didn't get to do too much of that here on YouTube, and so I want to do that here. And so what I've been doing for the past couple of weeks is preparing and planning. I didn't do too much of my planning before the end of last year because I was enjoying family and holidays and all that stuff, and so the beginning of this year is where I started to dive into planning and using all my Google spreadsheets, etc. And so I'm so excited for this video today because it's gonna be more around lifestyle, more focused on planning and organizing, and specifically what I'm gonna be doing this year to keep myself accountable to the things I wanna get done. And I thought I would share that with you guys. So Nina wanted to hop on here real quick and let you guys know before we dive into this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you get notifications every time I upload a new video, because there's gonna be a lot going on the channel in 2019. So let's get started. Oh, puppy, 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 puppy. So normally when I do my planning, I do any of my organizing for my content, I usually use Google Sheets or Google Keep. Like, my life is on Google, but I also feel like I need something that I can carry around with me that's tangible, that I can actually write in, because typing is okay, but when I write things down, I remember them better, and I feel like I have better control of what's going on. And this year, actually, Clever Fox reached out to me and they sent me 2 of their planners to check out and to test out. And I always usually look for a daily planner, and so they sent me 2 different ones. This one is the pink one that I have here is the 6-month daily planner, and then I have a blue one which is a weekly planner, and I figured I would give this one to Dave because he does lighter planning for the year, whereas I do something a little bit more intense, and so looking at my day-to-day is so important for me. So I thought I would do a little unboxing with you guys. So they come in these cute little boxes, and you can get them on their website, and I'll link everything below, and you can also get it on Amazon. And I have a code in here for you guys that they actually sent for a discount, which is 10% off. So I'll link that below as well. But yeah, so here we have the little box, and it's packed with a couple of little coupons, and it has a how-to on how to use the planner, because there are different sections, and it definitely focuses on helping you achieve your goals. They also included stickers, which I really appreciate, because sometimes when I'm planning things, I usually go online and find stickers, but it's pretty cool that they actually included some stickers, and they're very generic and basic stickers. They're not super branded or anything like that, which I really like. And then of course here we have the planner. So this blue one is actually the weekly planner, and like I said, it's a non-daily planner, which is perfect. And their goals for us using these planners are productivity, passion, motivation, happiness, and focus. So they definitely laid out the planner to keep all of that in mind. So for the weekly planner, the first thing I see is my gratitude and self-awareness sheet. What am I grateful for? What am I passionate about? What brings me joy in life? So for this weekly planner one, the first thing that you open it up to is this gratitude section and then the daily ritual section. Then I love this because there's a vision board, and you can put your stickers in, you can put cutouts, printouts, whatever you want, and just stick it in there and make it very you and customize it. Then we've got my goals, which is the goals for the year, and which is really great because it allows you to focus on your goals but then break them down so that you can execute them throughout the year. Right after that is the focus sheet and the mind map. And again, if you don't really know what to put in these pages, it does come with the how-to, and it gives you ideas on how to use these different sections so that you're getting the most out of it. Right after all those personalized pages, then you have the monthly view. And what I would probably do is, I would probably do 1 month at a time instead of doing all of the months for the year, just in case I end up skipping a month. And when you move past the monthly section, then you get into the weekly section. And so here's how the weekly planner looks like. You've got a section for each day. You also have a personal to-do list, a habit skills section, wins for the week that you can celebrate, and how you improve next week. There's also at the top the week's main goals, the week's priorities, and a little note section, which is perfect. I think this is great for my husband because he likes to plan very on point, very clear, very little though. He doesn't need to go into much depth, but it allows enough space for him to get things done and to address the most important things for his week. Also, some things to note is that it does come with a little pen holder section, and it comes with 3 different bookmarks, so you can mark different sections for different reasons. So here's the daily planner, and it pretty much comes with the same exact things the weekly planner comes with. The only differences that I've seen so far immediately is that it's definitely much thicker, and obviously that's to accommodate more of the sheets covering days as opposed to weeks. When you open it up, it has the same exact sheets. It has the gratitude sheet, it has the ritual sheets, what you're passionate about, affirmations, etc., the vision board, my goals for the year, my focus sheet, my mind map sheet, and then it jumps into the monthly view as well. And after you pass the monthly section, then you have your daily section, which I really, really love. So it's going into details the same way the weekly planner does, except for your day. So on the left-hand side, you have this week's main goal, this week's priorities, a work to-do list, a personal to-do list, a life balance to-do list, a habits and skills section, which is pretty cool, and then it breaks it down into the day. And so you have your day and date section, your schedule for the day, a to-do list for the day, and then you rate your productivity at the bottom for your day. Now at the end of each week, you have a weekly notes section, which is all like that bullet style dotted graph paper, which I always love because it means more customization for me and I get to get creative here, maybe do some doodling as well. There's also a weekly review page at the end, which allows you to check off whether you achieved the week's goal, celebrate your week's wins, what tasks were not completed this week and why. So it gives you a section to reflect. What habits did I not pursue this week and why? What have I learned this week? How do I feel about my progress this week? How will I improve my next week? And I love this section especially because I feel like I can plan so much and then forget to reflect on the things that I've accomplished to celebrate them, one, and then for the things that I have failed to do and learn how to do that better. And so this definitely is going to encourage me to take that moment to pause and reflect and think so that I can prepare to do things better next time around rather than just letting it be cyclical, you know? So I like this weekly review section at the end of my week. I think what I will do is by the end of the year or maybe even next year, give more of a feedback on this and how it worked out for me. And maybe if you guys are interested in seeing a plan with me video, I'll show you some other months or other weeks. If you guys are interested in seeing things like that on this channel, comment below and let me know. But yeah, check it out guys. 10% off coupon, I'll list it below. Definitely cool planner. It looks cool. I love the way it's organized and I can see how this is going to be super beneficial for this year. And if you didn't buy a planner this year, like me, this is definitely going to help. Even if you buy it in February, honestly, it doesn't matter what month you buy it in or what day you buy it in because you can totally customize the dates and the month, which I appreciate about this planner the most. So let's get to you some plans. Okay, so let's get to some of these 2019 goals. Thank you guys so much for watching this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below, help a girl out because engaging in this content helps to support this content. If you support this channel, I love it and I love you guys so much. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button again as always and that bell so that you get notifications every time I upload a new video. And until next time, I love you guys so much. Remember that you're absolutely beautiful. Bye. Mwah.